Have you ever pondered the mysteries that the universe holds, the secrets that lie beyond our immediate gaze? The universe, a vast cosmic ocean, is brimming with celestial bodies, stars, galaxies, planets, and so much more. Each one, a unique enigma waiting to be unraveled. Among these cosmic treasures, there exists a category of celestial bodies that often goes overlooked: dwarf planets. These are worlds not quite large enough to be classified as full-fledged planets, yet they hold their own unique allure. They are the underdogs of our cosmic neighborhood, each possessing its own set of mysteries and wonders. One such celestial body that has intrigued us for centuries is the dwarf planet, Ceres. Nestled within the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, Ceres is a world of fascination, a cosmic conundrum that beckons us to delve deeper into its secrets. One such mystery that has piqued the interest of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike is the dwarf planet Ceres. In the early 19th century, our understanding of the cosmos was forever altered with the discovery of Ceres. Our tale begins at the turn of the 19th century, a time when the universe was still largely an enigma. Italian monk and astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi, while charting the stars from his observatory in Palermo, stumbled upon an intriguing celestial body that would later be known as Ceres. It was the first day of the year, 1801, and little did Piazzi know, he was about to reshape our understanding of the cosmos. Ceres presented itself as a tiny speck of light distinct from the stars, moving against their static backdrop. Piazzi, suspecting it to be a new planet, continued to observe and record its movements over the following months. What he discovered was an object that orbited the Sun in the vast gap between Mars and Jupiter, a region of space previously believed to be empty. With Piazzi's discovery, Ceres was initially classified as a planet, the 8th in our solar system, following Uranus. This was a monumental moment, not just for Piazzi, but for the entire scientific community. However, this classification was not to last. As the 19th century progressed and more celestial bodies were discovered in the same region as Ceres, scientists began to question whether Ceres was truly a planet. This led to a reclassification of Ceres as an asteroid, the first of many to be discovered in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Yet the story of Ceres didn't end there. In the early 21st century, the term dwarf planet was introduced by the International Astronomical Union to describe bodies like Ceres objects that orbited the Sun, were not moons, and did not clear their orbital path of other debris. This new classification once again reshaped our understanding of Ceres, transforming it from a humble asteroid to a dwarf planet. This little world remained largely a mystery until the dawn of the 21st century. The year 2007 marked the beginning of a new era in the exploration of Ceres. In that year, NASA launched an ambitious mission named Dawn, a spacecraft designed to study the two most massive bodies in the asteroid belt, Vesta and Ceres. Dawn was unique, not just because of its ambitious goals, but also due to its ion propulsion system, a technology that allowed it to journey to multiple targets. This was a first in space exploration. The journey of Dawn was no less than a space odyssey. After a celestial dance with Mars for a gravity assist in 2009, it spent over a year studying Vesta from 2011 to 2012. Then it set off on a 3-year journey to Ceres, finally arriving in March 2015. This marked the first visit to a dwarf planet by a spacecraft, a significant milestone in our quest to understand the universe. The main objectives of the Dawn mission were manifold. It aimed to compare and contrast these two remnants from the early solar system, which somehow took different evolutionary paths. Vesta, a dry body much like our moon, and Ceres, a world that harbored water in the form of ice, and possibly even a subsurface ocean. Dawn's goal was to study the structure and composition of Ceres, to understand its geology and its potential for hosting life. The spacecraft was equipped with a suite of scientific instruments, including a framing camera, a visible and infrared mapping spectrometer, and a gamma-ray and neutron detector. These instruments were designed to map the surface, analyze the composition, and look for water and organic materials. The mission was also tasked with investigating the intriguing bright spots in Ceres's Okator crater, a mystery that had puzzled scientists since they were first spotted. These bright spots, later named Cerealia Facula and Venalia Faculae, were believed to be deposits of sodium carbonate, a type of salt, brought up from the interior of Ceres by a process called cryovolcanism. Dawn's mission was not just about gathering data, it was also about inspiring wonder and curiosity, about pushing the boundaries of what we know and understand. It was about reminding us that there are still mysteries in our solar system waiting to be unlocked, and unlock them it did. As Dawn orbited Ceres, it began to unravel the secrets that this dwarf planet had held for over 2 centuries. Its data revealed a world that was far more complex and fascinating than anyone had imagined. It showed us a world with a rich geological history, a world that may have harbored conditions suitable for life, a world with its own unique story to tell. Ceres, once just a faint point of light in our telescopes, began to reveal its secrets. As we ventured deeper into the cosmos, the Dawn spacecraft, a marvel of human engineering, embarked on a mission to unveil the mysteries of Ceres. Launched in the year 2007, Dawn navigated through the cosmic wilderness to reach this intriguing dwarf planet located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. As Dawn orbited Ceres, it began to unravel some extraordinary revelations. Among the most significant discoveries was the presence of water ice. Now, this wasn't just a smattering of frost, mind you. We're talking about vast deposits of water ice, making up a considerable proportion of Ceres' crust. This discovery was monumental, not just because water is essential for life as we know it, but also because it hinted at the presence of a subsurface ocean, a concept once thought to be exclusive to the larger bodies in our solar system. But the revelations didn't stop there. The Dawn spacecraft illuminated something even more intriguing: the mysterious bright spots in the Ocata crater. These glittering anomalies, stark against the dark landscape, puzzled scientists around the world. After much speculation and scientific debate, it was determined that these spots are likely caused by a type of salt, specifically sodium carbonate. This material, typically associated with hydrothermal activity, hinted at the possibility of geological activity on Ceres. The presence of water ice and these bright salt deposits all pointed to one tantalizing possibility: the existence of a subsurface ocean. The idea of an ocean beneath the craggy, icy surface of Ceres was once an astronomical fantasy, but the data from Dawn suggested that this might be a reality. If true, this would mean that Ceres joins a select group of celestial bodies, including some of Jupiter's and Saturn's moons, known to harbour subsurface oceans. Now you might be wondering, what are the implications of these findings? For one, they highlight the complexity and diversity of our solar system. More importantly, they open up the possibility of life beyond Earth. Water, after all, is one of the key ingredients for life as we know it. And if life can exist in the icy depths of a subsurface ocean on Ceres, then the possibilities for life elsewhere in the universe suddenly become much more plentiful. So, what started as a mission to study a distant speck of light has led to profound revelations about the nature of our solar system and of life itself. These findings have not only reshaped our understanding of Ceres, but also raised fascinating questions about the possibility of life in our own solar system. Our exploration of Ceres has been a journey into the unknown, a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. This celestial body, a modest dwarf planet nestled within the vast expanse of our solar system, has revealed itself to be a treasure trove of information. From its initial discovery in the early 19th century, Ceres has been the subject of intrigue and fascination. As we delved deeper, we found ice volcanoes, hints of an underground ocean, and signs of organic material, whispers of a past that may have been conducive to life. These explorations have not only expanded our understanding of Ceres, but have also reshaped our perceptions of the universe itself. We've been taught that even the smallest celestial bodies can hold the biggest secrets, that every corner of our universe holds potential for discovery. As we continue to gaze upon the cosmos, who knows what other secrets we might uncover, what other mysteries we might unravel? The universe, after all, is full of surprises,